It's Rachael Smith-Meadors, your mountain real estate expert here in Big Bear Lake. Welcome to your July 2025 market update. Whether you're a homeowner, a buyer, or an investor, or just curious about what's going on in the Big Bear real estate market, I've got the numbers, the trends, and some standout homes to walk you through. So let's get right into it. In July, 61 homes closed escrow in Big Bear Valley. That's a healthy summer month, especially considering interest rates and insurance hiccups that are still tripping up semester. The average sales price landed at $627,119. The median sales price was $465,000, meaning that most buyers are still targeting that sweet spot between $400,000 and $500,000. On the extremes, the lowest sale was just $215,000, and the highest, a luxury stunner in Fox Farm, closed at $2.6 million. Let's talk about a few of the most interesting sales that we saw last month. 477 Windsong Place. This Fox Farm estate sold for $2.6 million, nearly 6,000 square foot, 5-bedroom, 5-bath, and high-end finishes throughout. This is a classic example of what's still commanding top dollar: square footage, style, and location. 478 Lakeview Court, a lakefront, just closed at $2.52 million. This 5-bedroom home with over 4,000 square foot have panoramic lake views and upscale amenities, a trophy home for sure. And then we had 42290 Heavenly Valley Road, which sold for $1,725,000 in the Heavenly Valley Enclave, a luxury lodge-style retreat with 7 bedrooms, over 5,800 square foot, and perfect for short-term rental or extended families. 1630 Shenandoah Way, this East Valley gem fetched $2 million with 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and over 4,600 square foot. It's one of the few larger homes with flat, usable land, appealing to those who want more than just a view. 1618 Tuolumne Road, a Moonridge high-end sale at $1,350,000, offering privacy, views, and modern upgrades in one of the most desirable neighborhoods. Each of these homes was well prepped, well marketed, and priced at the start. Now, let's flip the coin. Here are some of the most affordable homes that sold in July. Great case studies for first-time buyers or investors. We had 740 Los Angeles Avenue, which sold for $215,000 in Sugarloaf. A small 1-bedroom, 1-bath cabin with 570 square foot. Proof that affordability still exists, especially if you're handy or want a starter investment. 738 East Meadow Lane sold for $264,000. 2 beds, 2 bath, 840 square foot in Big Bear City. Buyers are scooping up these smaller homes when they're clean and functional. Then we had 308 West Mojave Boulevard, sold for $265,000. Same story, modest size, Big Bear City location, and move-in ready under $300,000. 918 West Aeroplane sold for $269,000, another basic 2-bedroom cabin, proving that there's still opportunity for budget-minded. And then we had my sale, 506 East Meadow Lane, sold for $275,000. 3 bedrooms, great floor plan, and price to move. No major updates and solid bones in a central location. These sales show that there is still inventory under $300,000, but it moves fast. And if you're watching that range, don't wait too long to pull the trigger. Now, let's zoom out and look at some area-specific performance. Moonridge and Fox Farm led the pack in high-end sales. Big Bear Lake Central saw strong mid-range activity, especially for walkable homes close to the village. Big Bear City and Sugarloaf remain to the go-to zones for affordability. One interesting note, homes that are well marketed, staged, and priced right saw significantly less time on market. But if you were overpriced or hard to show, you likely sat with fewer offers or had to reduce the price. So what are the key takeaways from July? Inventory is still limited, but improving slightly. Luxury is moving, but only if it's dialed in or in top-tier locations. Affordable homes are in demand, but buyers expect clean and functional. Pricing strategy matters more than ever. The days of overpricing and hoping are over. With school that just started up here and fall approaching, we may see a small lull in showings, but serious buyers are still out there, especially with even a whisper of interest rate improvement. If you're thinking about selling before the holidays, now's the time to prepare. We can do a full market analysis, walk through light improvements, and put together a strategy to make your home stand out. If you're buying, I can connect you with a great local lender and help you find something that fits your budget, your goals, and your lifestyle. I'm also offering my free Airbnb guide for buyers looking to invest up here. As a super host myself, I know what to look for. And remember, every month I do this update to give you real info, not hype. If you found it helpful, like and subscribe and share it with somebody that you know who's curious about the Big Bear real estate market. See you next month, and until then, stay grateful, stay ready, and I'll see you in the mountains. Talk to you soon. Bye.